Hello friends, welcome. So today we are adding sound effects to our perfect timing rocket launch game. And what we have achieved so far, let's see. If I click in the green flag, then this knob goes up and down, and if I press the space bar when it hits the green bar, then it's a successful launch and it goes up, and then you see launch success and the level increases and the knob's speed increases like this. But if I hit the space bar when it's a black, it touches the black area, then it's game over. Yeah, the rocket blast and it's game over. And we are going to add sound effects. First of all, let's add sound effect to this knob when it's going up and down. Let's get a sound effect for this. So this is the knob, and for the knob, let's click on the power knob sprite. And in here we are going to search for the sound first. So click on the sounds and let's search the sound. For the knob sound, let's click on the effects and let me go down, and not this one. Yeah, this sound. Let me click here. Whoop sound. Yeah, let me play once again. Yeah, that's the sound I want, and I only want the first part, only this much. Yeah, so let me just delete other parts. Delete. Yeah, let me play one more time. Yeah, let me make it a little bit louder. Yeah, okay, that sounds good. Now let's apply it, the whoop sound. Get back to the code tab, and in here, so when the knob starts going up and down, that happens when we broadcast the start game. Yeah, when we click the green flag, it goes in the front layer, then its speed is set, then we broadcast start game, then it goes up and down. So when we receive the start game broadcast message, then we are going to play the sound. For that, let's go in the events menu, drag when I receive a message block like this, and select the message start game, and inside here let's go to control and grab a forever loop, and inside here we go to the sounds menu and drag a play sound until done block. Yeah, not start sound. Start sound will just start the sound, but we want the whole sound to be played and repeated again and again. So for that we will use drag a play sound block inside here and play sound whoop until done. And now let's see, click in the green flag. Yeah, and it goes whoop 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 whoop, and when we click here, this stops. And now for the rocket launch. Yeah, let's see again. So while engine is starting, we need another sound. So for that, let's go to rocket ship, and in here, when the engine is starting here, we are going to put a sound effect here. First of all, let's search the sound effect. Go to the sounds tab and let's search. Let's click on effects, and I will use which sound? This one. This sound, crunch sound, for the engine is starting. Click in the crunch sound. Let's play one more time. Yeah, that looks fine. Go back to code and inside here, while the engine is starting, this time we are going to grab the start sound crunch and put it inside the repeat block like this. So what it does is it just starts the sound. Yeah, it's a very small sound. Yeah, very limited small amount of time. That's why we put it inside the repeat block, and it just keep on playing the sound again and again. Let's see. the green flag, and yeah, that's what I want. And now for rocket going upwards. So let's search another sound. For that, I'll click on the sounds tab, search the sound, and go in the effects. And for the rocket going upward, let me go downwards for the space sound. And this sound, I want this sound, space noise. Click here. Let me just play one more time. And this sound. So, but it's a little bit of short sound. Let's see what happens first. Go back to code, and when it's flying means in here, yeah, define fly. So we are going to start the sound, just start the sound. Okay, so drag the start sound block below the define block like this, and we are going to start the space noise. And let's see, click in the green flag, and yeah, and it stops, the sound stops because it's a little bit smaller sound or the short time. Yeah, let's increase the time of that sound. For that, we go back to the sounds tab, click on the space noise, and let me copy the whole sound one more time. Just copy it and paste it right here around here, paste. And now it has doubled the sound, but here is a little bit of a glitch type. Yeah, look here. Yeah, let me just delete this sound, small glitch. Yeah, now I think it's good. Play. Okay, that sounds good. Let's see. Now we don't have to do anything, we just have to hear. So click on the green flag, go up. Yeah, good, perfect. Now let's give it a little bit of physics or science effect. As the rocket goes upward and it goes farther away, the frequency of anything, sound or light, seems like decreasing or lowering. So that's called the Doppler shift. Yeah, it does not actually decrease, but when we are in the stationary position and something is going far away, we see that the frequency starts decreasing. So let's create that effect. So to create that effect, we are in the sounds tab here, and we just drag a change pitch effect, and we are going to put it inside the repeat block at the last part here. Yeah, in the fly block, we have started the sound here, and we have repeated it, and we have changed the sound effect. So to lower the frequency, we need to give negative value. Now this will decrease the frequency again and again and again. Let's see what happens. Click in the green flag and fly. Yeah, you hear the difference. Yeah, it looks like going away. Yeah, the sound is going away. One more time. Look, the sound is going away, but we are hearing the change in effect also, because we have changed the effect of the frequency, but we haven't cleared it. Okay, let's clear the frequency, change of the frequency after this block. Yeah, at the last part. Let's make that clear sound effect in here. So we need to clear the sound effect again and again, and I think it's good. So let's clear the sound effect here, not here. We are going to clear the sound effect up when we start the game here. That looks good now. And let's try one more time. Click on the green flag, goes up, sounds like it's going far away, and that's it, successful. Next time, yeah, it's going far away. Good. And the last part, after the success, yeah, we have launched the success, then we need one kind of sound effect here also. Let's search that one also. For the success, we are going to click on the success sprite, and in here let's search the sound. Click in the sounds and choose the sound, go in the effects, and we are going to get a tada sound, this one. Click it, and let's get back to the code. And in here, when we receive the launch success, we are going to play the sound, start the sound. Okay, drag the start sound up here, tada sound like this. And let's see, click in the green flag, going far away, and tada, that's it. And next, for the crashing of the sound, yeah, we just used for the flying, and our ship crashes also if we press the space bar at the wrong moment. Then let's make that happen. For that, let's click on the rocket ship again, and for crashing here, yeah, inside this crash, if we are crashing, then we are going to have a different sound effect. For that, we are going to use the same noise, space noise. Okay, let's drag a start sound block in here, but for crashing we are going to change the pitch effect by different things. So let's grab the pitch effect, change pitch effect here, and this time we are going to increase the pitch effect because some kind of error has caused the rocket to crash. Let's change the pitch effect by 5, and I think it's done. Let's see. Click on the green flag. Now I will click in the black part. Look, pitch effect has increased. Boop. And the last part, the last sound effect of blast. For the blast also, let's search it. Go to the sounds, and let's search the sound effects. I want this sound, boom cloud sound. Click it and get back to code, and during the blasting here in the define blast, let's put that sound. So drag the start sound block here and make sure it is boom cloud, and let's see. Click in the green flag. Yeah, that looks good. And that's how we put sound effects, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next part. But before leaving, let's see how much level I get through. Yeah, click in the green flag. This is a very easy chance play. Done. Next one. Okay, second level also done. Third level little bit difficult. Okay, yeah, perfect. Nice one. Level 4, very fast. Oh god. Oh no, I crashed. And that's the perfect timing rocket launch game for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.